Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I treat make wigs come back to life. Take a look at this wig. You see the way it's looking. We're going to make sure we bring it back to life. I also have another one. There's another one here. This one too, I'm going to be treating it and make sure it comes to life as well. There's also another one. Yeah, there's another one too. We're going to be treating them, make sure they all come back to life. You know, we are anointed for difficult matters, so stay tuned. There's still another one. This is another one. There's another week. Going to be working on it and make them look fresh, like a new week. I still have another one here. In case you are interested, you want to know more about how I do my wig, you can contact me via my Instagram, Masulo Media. Then we'll talk about it. This is also another wig. Still going to be working on this as well. I still have another one here. This is a long weave. As you can see, I'm going to work on it, make it look coily a little bit. That's another one. I also have another one here. So this should be the last week for today. Here it is. Still going to be working on this one as well. These are the weeks I'm going to be working on this week, guys. I'm going to keep you guys posted, show you the before and after care. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Love you guys as always. Bye. Hello guys, today is the day 2 of the week treatment that I was doing. First today guys, I'm going to be showing you the product I use after treating my wig. First, this is the 25 Miracle Make. It does 25 different benefits to your hair. 25 Miracle Make. I don't want to say more about it. The next one is the styling. This one is an heat protector to protect your hair against the heat that will be coming upon the hair. The last one is this is True Coils True Texturized Perfect Coils. Is for natural hair, especially it's good for coiling weave as well. The last one is the one you normally see as coil is water. So let's start with this. This wig was the very first wig I showed to you guys. You can go, you'll see it on the first place. This wig was the most difficult wig I've worked on. The client even said I could throw it away if I cannot work on it. But I told the client that me, I was anointed for difficult matters. The problem of this wig was that the client coiled the wig for so long and she wore it and let the coiling stay on with the bending rollers. You know, when heat come upon weave like this and it's coiled for a longer time, the wig, you start seeing the wig getting kick. That was what happened to this wig, but I'm grateful to God Almighty that I was able to bring the wig back to life. I'm not done yet. This is the part 2 of the video. So I just want to advise my viewers, whenever you roll your wig, you wear it for like 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Make sure you comb it out, especially if it's a long weave like this. Don't leave it coily to be there if it's not a coily weave. This is the first wig, guys. I'm going to be showing the second one. This is the second weave, guys. We are still working on it, on the treatment procedure. We are still working. As you can see for yourself. When I'm done, I'm going to show the full job. Well done. This is also another one, the longer weave. This was the longer weave. This was the longer one, as you can see. for yourself. This was the longer weave. You see how long it is from the top to the down. We are still treating. Maybe God's willing. I don't know. I can't tell you guys when I will be done with this, but I just pray I'm able to finish as soon as possible. These are 3 weave here. This is the first one. This is the second. Then this is the third. Then this is the 4th weave. This is the 4th one. As you can see, it's still on that due process. It will be done very soon. That is the 4th weave right there. Then this is the 5th weave. This is the 5th weave. This is the 5th one. As you can see, I'm still working on it. After the finishing touch, everything is going to look really, really different from the way they are looking right now. Then I also have another one here. As you can see this, we are still working on it. The treatment is done quite alright. The next thing we are going to do now is to blow dry, straighten them properly, coil the ones we are about to coil. That is, I guess this should be the 2, 4, 6. This is the 7th week. Then this is the last one. This is the last one, guys. This is the last weave. Yeah. This is the last weave, guys. You can go check back the previous video. This is the last one. This is the last weave. As you can see for yourself. It's looking so amazing. For this week, I just show something like this. This is very good for it. So this is very good for this kind of a week. It will bring out the coils, make it bounce the more. This one as well, all the products I've shown to you guys all are so amazing. These are all the wigs right here. I'm still working on them. I will be through in no time, guys. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. Maybe God's willing, before the next week, we will be done with everything. You guys are going to see everything, guys. I'm also working so hard to create a personal channel for things like this. Stay tuned, stay blessed. You know, it's your boy Masolo. I love you guys always. Bye for now.